Singapore's Channel News Asia continues to broadcast more evidence that the Thai military has bombed Cambodian homes during the Thai invasion of Cambodia. According to reports from the Cambodian side of the border, the lives of the people there seem to have changed in a matter of seconds. A gas station and agricultural supply depot located about 14 kilometers from the Cambodian-Thai border were destroyed by the explosion on Monday. Fortunately, no one was killed, but one family's hopes and dreams have gone up in smoke. Speaking about the situation there, some parents say they can't hold on much longer. They say that if they can just earn a little, their families will try to do something to make their lives better. They are trying hard, but just seeing a house or something they used to feel comfortable with now seems difficult. Sometimes, they say they feel like they don't even know where they used to live. We drove through this village about 3 hours from Odia Menche to the Priya Vihar temple in both provinces of Cambodia. The area is close to the border, which was recently disputed on July 24. There were bombs and there were planes and drones, which Cambodian rangers spoke of. I just spoke to the village rangers. They said it was the first time in 5 days that they could breathe a little easier, because since the ceasefire, they had not heard any loud explosions or fighting. They also told me that there was an unexploded bomb 1 kilometer from where I was standing. Cambodian authorities are now trying to clear as much of the area as possible of mines and unexploded bombs to ensure the area is completely safe before allowing the displaced Cambodians to return to their homes. More than 135,000 Cambodians have been displaced by the conflict. They hope the ceasefire will continue so that they can rebuild their lives and return to normal.
CNA's Leong Wai-kit with this report from the Cambodian side of the border.
Their lives' work gone in a matter of seconds. This petrol station and farming supply store, located about 14 kilometers from the Thai-Cambodia border, was destroyed in a blast on Monday. No one died, but a family's hopes and dreams went up in smoke.
Là một tặng mà phần tặng trắng đấy tặng vì trong bé cái đài chỉ vật mùi mùi á hay là một ba phần này không sự nó bao mà đã khơi nhung đang dây thảm mất chạy của mình dây đấy bao nhung tao đâu có đâu non tiền đang chỉ ba phần nè đã khơi tiền thuận nơi xưa là mau khơi chạy tặng mùi mùi đây xua đây.
We passed a village on a 3-hour drive from Odia Menche to Priya Vihar in Cambodia, both provinces near the border where clashes broke out on July 24th. There were bombings, planes and drones, says this Cambodian ranger.
I was just speaking with these village rangers who, perhaps for the first time in 5 days, can breathe a little easier because they told me since the truce, they've not heard sounds of loud bomb blasts or fighting. They also told me that 1 kilometer from where I'm standing, in that direction, there's an unexploded bomb. Right now, the Cambodian authorities are clearing as many landmines and unexploded bombs as possible to make sure that it's completely safe before allowing displaced Cambodians to return home.
More than 135,000 Cambodians were evacuated because of the fighting. They hope the ceasefire holds so they can rebuild and get back to normal life. Leong Wai-kit, CNA, Priya Vihar, Cambodia.